Hello YouTube. So today's Sunday. I have nothing to do. I'm kind of bored. So I decided to figure out after I'm done eating, I'm gonna go install some kill mat into my 240. Usually I'm gonna put them on the back because the location is make the most noise. That's it for today, and I guess join me as I install the kill mat on my car. Alright, let's get to it. The worst thing is, I don't have a roller for these, and I'm just doing it with my hand because I forgot to buy a roller for this, but it doesn't really matter. Probably don't have the same result anyway. So yeah. So we got it done, and it's time to go test out the car, see how loud it is now, or not loud, as I would say.
Start your engine!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's just ice.
Oh, dude.
No! That's pretty
Bro,
bad.
look at the wheel.
Oh my gosh!
Now that's a lot of damage!
Oh my gosh! That's pretty bad.
Dude, that thing got sent to the moon.
Pretty bad.
Huh? One tire's still good. Nice.
Check
bro.
that out.
Dude, that's a souvenir, bro.
It is. Oh. That's.
Bro. The tire's still good, eh? gotta fucking get it off that wheel. Dude, this thing got fucking.
You know what? We sent her a little too hard. Check that out. We got ourselves a little souvenir. It's just if you're gonna buy an NK's wheel, to make sure you don't smack the wheels into the wall, or it's gonna be like that. So yeah, pretty bad looking, in my opinion. Ooh.
Is it?
What? Yeah.
The lower one?
Yeah, low control arm is bent in. This is like the last time, remember?
Is it?
On the other side?
Look at the shock. The shock's all broken.
Is it? Oh, that's bad. That's not good. Yeah, can you realize time when my shit bent like that?
Oh, it's still good, drive home.
Yeah, it's still good.
Well, I guess no drifting for me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I mean, so look. Hey, look at that, bro. You just.
Oh my god.
How bad is the shock?
No, the bolt's just broken.
Souvenir time. Oh. My truck is a mess. Got so much random stuff on my truck right now. It's pretty bad. No, rescue mission is a success. Alright, see you back home, brother. Alright. Let's see. Start it up. All right.
So in the end, the car, the 240s sound nice inside, not loud anymore. That's all I want to say. Except the other part where my homie smacked the curve and broke the wheels, but don't worry about it. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching the whole thing. So if you like it, please hit the like, subscribe, for more content to come. And that should be it. Yeah, more video coming soon in the coming weeks. Thank you guys.